We recently were talking to a client who came to us after working with 4 previous software companies. They said what they found different about us was that we understood information. This got us thinking, and we realised how important this knowledge is. In a modern work environment, everyone interacts with computer systems of some sort or the other, and the people who progress and advance are the ones who have the power to make them better. If you can learn to talk this language of information, it gives you agency to influence the world rather than be influenced by it. And coding is an important skill, but actually not fundamental to develop these systems. AI can generate code for you right now. It's the interfaces between things that matter. Creating these interfaces and how information flows and is exchanged is actually the most important skill, and rarely one that is taught. There is no magic involved. You don't have to know the technical details of how information is processed, stored, or broken up to be sent down a wire. In fact, the most transformative information protocols are the human-readable ones. We all know how to use a web browser, but not many people know the format of HTTP message. It's actually very simple. It's like a text file that's exchanged between machines. But knowing this information and how to design these kinds of information interfaces is a modern-day superpower. So, we've been building a simple workshop course where product owners, designers, change makers, entrepreneurs, and anyone interested in tech can understand these human-readable systems and API-first design, learn the basics of how the internet works, give confidence when talking to techies, coders, and designing complex systems, know what to expect of other systems and software development teams, and essentially design and create your own systems. So sign up to our course where product owners, designers, change makers, entrepreneurs, and anyone interested in tech can ultimately understand human-readable systems and API-first design, learn the basics of how the internet works, give confidence when talking to techies and coders, know what to expect of software development teams, and essentially be empowered to design and create your own systems. So, if you're interested in joining me, then follow the instructions above or below and let me know.